doing my video for the dresses one. When I was doing the video, I was absolutely fine. I loved wearing it and enjoyed it. But when I was editing, especially the second one where my dresses are a bit more tight, a bit more bodycon, I hated editing the video, and I was thinking I look like a blob or a potato. I even thought of deleting some of the dresses I recorded because I didn't feel comfortable. But that's when I realized most people are like that. So if I started doing that, I feel like I'm not being genuine to myself or the people who are watching my video. So I decided to put that all in there so everybody can see and enjoy and be themselves, rather than just thinking like, I don't feel comfortable wearing this, I don't feel pretty, because that's what I was feeling when I put on some of the dresses, especially since being quarantined and since being on a lockdown and everything. I want to put this video out there to encourage people to love yourself and also be happy with your body and yourself and enjoy it. For anyone who is like me and not feeling confident, I want to tell you that you got this. You can do this too. I haven't worn this dress in ages. I really feel like, because we've all been living at home and wearing comfy clothes at home, I feel like I need to go out somewhere now. Okay, so it's really good going for a night out or anything like that, and for a dinner, just going for a party, anything like that. And this dress is really versatile for me because I can put a skirt on and look really good, and also I can put like a jumper on, then it will look like a mini skirt that I got on, and that's it. So this dress is from New Look. It's loose at the top and gives you like a little scrunched up look at the bottom. And again, it's got long sleeves, so you can be very comfortable. You can just dance around, doesn't matter. The black velvet dress I showed earlier was also from New Look. Got a little bit elastic here, so from here to the bottom it's elasticated. So if you got like, I feel like this will be more suitable for people who's got more wider hips. For me, I'm more like an inverted triangle, so my upper body would be wider, so it's making my upper body more wider and my bottom more skinnier. So if you are a person who's got like a wider hips, I think this would be a really good dress for you and your body shape. This one doesn't have any buttons or anything, so the only way to put this through is through the neck. So this dress is from H&M. It is a tight bodycon, like sleeveless dress. I usually wear it with like a top underneath, so I usually put like a top underneath it and wear it. So I feel like I am more comfortable wearing a top underneath it rather than wearing the dress on its own. So if you are someone like that, you can always wear like a crop t-shirt or like a blouse or something underneath, and will give you more structure. If you have like a really nice white or black lace shirt, I think this would go really well with this. So you can also wear it like this because it's like a really nice fitted, like probably really body hugging. It's hard for me to breathe in this sometimes, and I'm usually a size 12 in UK, so this is a size 14 because of the tightness of. If you want to wear a bodycon dress as a day wear, you can always have like a crop top on top of it. So I'm more comfortable wearing it like this, or also wearing this t-shirt underneath, so you will have the straps come through as well, like I showed in the previous video. And that's how I would style this dress. So this dress is a blazer dress. I bought this from Pretty Little Things. This is perfect length. It ends up here, but it's got frill at the bottom here, frill all the way down here, and doesn't have any pockets. I would have preferred if it had some kind of pockets, you can put stuff in it. By now you probably would understand that I love more pockets. It makes me buy that dress even more because it got pockets in it. It's structured but a loose fitting, so it doesn't hug your body. I got a vest underneath here, and if you're comfortable, you can also have it like, don't have to have a vest underneath. This is a really good outfit for going out or eating dinner. It gives you, if you got like a nice accessories like earrings and a clutch bag and heels, it would be really good to go for like a night out or a eating out or date night and stuff. And that's it. So these are all my going out clothes. Hopefully you enjoyed this video as well. It is an effort, honest to God, to put this on and stand in a camera and talking to myself. Hopefully you like this video, and if you do, please give it a like and share, and please share it on the stories as well, and comment if you like any of the videos, any of the videos on the dresses. And hopefully this will encourage some of you to go back in your wardrobe, look what you got and love what you already got. And if you haven't watched my previous video, there's a series on my IGTV called Loving Your Wardrobe Again. The main purpose of these videos are to see what you got and make you buy less and think about why you buy more next time, and also save the environment and save money for yourself by not buying too many clothes as well. And hopefully I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching. Bye.